Okay, so now I want to go for my folder. So where is my folder? Training batches. So HTML, CSS is done. Then I will create a JS. So just I will open the JS folder CMD, then CODE space dot enter. So it is going to be open. Okay, so till now, whatever you started HTML, CSS, no, so daily 10 topics you have to recap. Okay, so that is already because if you leave, no, so then it is difficult to for the interviews. Hardly next month, end of next the coming end of the month you are going to get the interview call, so please do prepare more onwards only. So don't tell like that, okay sir, I have to prepare, I have to go through it, then if you lose an interviews. Okay, fine. So now I want to start with the JavaScript. What is the file name? Again, the file name is the HTML file only, index.html, and the document, and save it h2 the JavaScript. What is a JavaScript? What is a JavaScript? So JavaScript, what is this? JavaScript is a programming language. Okay, it's a sentence wise. You have to tell them JavaScript is a programming language. Then paragraph. So next we have a one more thing called, what is a one more sentence we can write, and it is easy to learn. Easy to learn. Next we can say, so you can give us some sentence like this. So what you are going to learn, you are going to learn from the basics to the advanced. Okay, so this is a basic JavaScript. What is a JavaScript? How we are going to write it? So first I will write a JavaScript is, so it is should be inside a script tag. Okay, script. So just I will write our JavaScript program. So you know worry what I am doing here. Constant d equals to new date, then d dot d dot get day bracket. So I need to print, right, this one. Control X CLG means console.log. So d dot get day means it is going to be give the day. Right click, open with a live server. So it is going to be open a live server. So inspect, go for the console. Okay, so here, what is this one? Fail to load resources the server. Okay, see here, this is the, I think, okay, just a minute. Get day, get month. Control S, run it. Yeah, see there is some mistake in. Okay, why it is displaying the, what is the month now? So that is a January, February, March. So it will print the 1 month previous. Okay, so if I want to print one more month means, so we need to add a plus one. Okay, so this is a just basic one date. So if you want to print just a current date, system date, so you just use a DATE date, Control S will go here. So it is going to be print the system date. So if you want to print on the browser, document dot write, Control S. See here, Tuesday, April 30, 2024. 10, 8, 10 seconds GMT Indian Standard Time. Okay, so how it is displaying? So this browser will support for the displaying the content. Got it? So this is called a what you can say JavaScript. Okay. The next we are going to learn about the uh, where and all we need to print it. Means where and all we are going to be write a JavaScript. Okay. So we know about the writing a JavaScript inside a script tag, and that script where and all we are going to be displayed. Yes. So this is the one method. It is going to be run like this. Either just same thing. I need to add inside the header. Control S. Still, it is running. Got it. So this is called an inside a header also you can mention. Inside a body also you can mention. And one more last is a that is a script.js. So you can do like this also, and you just Control X, Control V, Control S will close this one. I will just remove this one. Script source script.js Control S. If you just run it, see still it is running this one. So there are three methods. See, you can define inside a body. So using a starting script and a end script, or else if you want to mention inside a header, starting script and a end script, and when the last one is a external. So in the three ways we can write a JavaScript. Okay. The next what I will do, I will give one example here. So what is this JavaScript? JavaScript is something it is to perform a dynamic action. Okay, so just I will take up one button, click me, the on click event I will click, uh, display data is a one method. So that method I want to write inside a script tag, and the function display data open close brace. Okay, so now we are going to be pass some value document dot get element by okay, we'll discuss that. Okay, document dot right of bracket date. Okay, uh, we'll go here. See, here it is a one button is there. When I click on this one, it is going to be display this data. If I reload means again it will come this one. If I click on this one, it is coming Tuesday, April 2030, 2024 like that. Okay, just reload this one. Click on this one. So Tuesday, April 30th, 10, 11 like that. Got it. So this is called a button is an event. So what is an event? On clicking event. What is a method? Display data method. When I click on this button and it is calling this method, and this method it is performing a one print option. Okay. So this is a simple one JavaScript function. So this is a JavaScript function definition, and this is the function calling. Okay. So in the deeper way we are going to be discussing the coming session. So the next important it will start is index2.html. So document. See, I have used something called a document.write. So like that, how many methods are to display? It means how many methods are there. So just I will use the output display in a JS. So that is called a JavaScript. Okay. What are all the different methods? First, I have taken a script tag. I will use a comment. The document dot write method. It means document dot write of welcome to JS. Save it, right click, open with the live server. So welcome to JS is the output. So this is the one way to display the output. Okay. Next, document dot get element by ID bracket demo dot inner HTML welcome to React.js. Okay, so here this is the one method and this is the second method. So document dot get element by ID means it is a getting the element by ID. Where is the demo? So the demo is not defined. So here h1 hash demo means it is going to be display the demo attribute. Now for the location of demo, it is going to be print the welcome to React.js. Okay, how it is? Control S. See here. Welcome to React.js and welcome to JavaScript. Welcome to JavaScript is by document.write method and welcome to React.js is the document.getElement by ID demo in the HTML. So we will discuss, no worries. Okay. The next is a CLG. CLG means what? Console.log. Okay. Display inside a console. Okay. Control S will go here, right click, inspect, we'll go to the console. See here, display inside a console. Display inside a console. So this is a document.write. This is the document.get element by ID. This is the console.log. And the fourth one more is there, that is called a window.alert. Display with a alert. Control S will go to the browser. Say this is called a alert. Display with the alerts. If I click OK, so this is by the document.getElement by ID. This is the document.write and this is the console.log. And if I reload means this is the window.alert. So there are four ways we can write the display the output. So this is an interview question. Okay, I want to print the output. So what are the different methods? So one is a document.write method. One more is the document.getElement by ID is method, and console.log is one method. Window.alert is one method. So like that, so we can say that in the interview. So this is the different ways to define the output. Okay, the the first what we have learned, what is a JS. Okay, then where to display. So that is a one thing, and the output. What is the output? Document dot. These are all the output. Document dot write, document dot get element by ID, console dot log. These are all the different outputs. Okay. The next we are coming the statements. See, these are all the initially. These are all the very basics things. So you should understand the concepts. Okay. What is a statement? The statement is the one thing it is going to be. So generally means what is a statement? So statement is a some information or a text to be displayed. Okay. So here uh, we are going to be write a let x comma y comma z. Okay. So these are all the three variables we have displayed. Just a minute. Okay. So there are three. Okay, so you will understand what is the let or what is a this is the variable. Variable means so to define the variable which can hold the value. Okay, so let x, y, z is there. So I want to pass the x equals to 100 and y equals to 200 and z equals to 100 plus sorry x plus y. Okay, so here what happening here document get element by id dot inner html equals to z. Okay, so here let, let is a keyword. Okay, we are going to be discussing the later section. So let is a keyword which it is used to define the variable. What is a variable? A variable is something can hold the value. So x is containing 100, y is equal to 200, z equals to x plus y. 100 plus 200, 300. So now z is containing 300. That is 300 is assigned to inner HTML to this ID. What is the ID? So I will take up one more ID. So that is called a H H3 hash demo 4 something like that. So same ID I will pass here demo 4. Control S will go here. Okay. Yeah. So here, what is happening here? It is telling an error. What is the error? Unquoted cannot set the properties of a null to index 2 dot is line number 25. Okay. What is the mistake? I will just go here. Yeah. I have done a mistake. DEMO spelling mistake. Here is the demo is a spelling mistake. So demo is what? DEMO. This is a DEOM is happened. So just I will change the demo. Control S will go here. Okay. See 300 is coming here. Okay, 300 is coming. Okay. The next what we are going to do, we are going to do, this is called a statement. What is a statement? So this is called a statement. Statement is something you are going to be a show. So that is called a statement. Okay. The next what we are going to do, we are going to be create a comments. What is the comments? See, this is the comment. Okay. If I use a double quote, the document. The comment means what? It is give the extra information about what we are writing a code or something. I am writing a code for the add calculator, multiplication or something like that. So it is going to be give the extra information about the code snippet. Okay, so comments is the writer to write the what code I am writing or what I am doing. So that's purpose we are going to be give. So this is something is disabled, but it is visible for the view purpose. Okay, so that is called a what you can say JavaScript comments. So next we are going to be discuss about a JavaScript variable. So this is a very now onwards all is important. Dot HTML. So I want to create a variables. What is a variable? So variable is a something which can hold a value. So I will write a, what is the variable? Variable is a something which can hold the values. Okay, so just I want to show example. Control S, right click, open with the live server. So it is going to be open. This is the, okay, this is clear. So this is a index3.html. So now we'll understand the variable concept. What is a variable? The variable is a, it is something. Let's say I will write a variable x. Okay, so this is a my one variable. So once I define here the programming, the memory will be allocated for the x. Okay, so this much memory is allocated to x. So what it contains now? So the x is containing the a variable value, so it is going to be passed here. Let's say if I added a variable x equals to 100, okay, it means the 100 is stored into a memory. So this is the var. The var is a var keyword. So this is the keyword, and this is the variable name, and this is the variable value. Got it? Okay, so here it is a the 10, sorry, 100, it is there. So if you if you create a one more variable, a variable y equals to, if you made a 200 or 20 something, so 20 is allocated in the sub memory. Okay, so then what is a variable? Variable is something which can hold the values. Okay, whatever the value, it is an integer or string or anything. So, what are all the different methods to create a variable? The first method is using a var keyword, and the second method is a let keyword, and the third method is a constant, C-O-N-S-T, constant, the constant method. Variable, using a variable keyword, we're using a let keyword, we're using a const keyword. So this is how we are going to be use a different variable. So then all for the same purpose means y3. Yes, each is having a some similarity and distinct features. So that is we are going to be discuss. So just I want to take a script tag and let x equals to 100. Okay. So now what happens? Let is what? It's a keyword. What is the x? Variable name. What is the 100? Variable value. So if you want to print it, so document dot write of x. Control S, right click, open with the live server. So 100 is printing. So how it is printing? We have used a variable name that is x. Then only this variable value is displayed here. Okay, so this is a what we can say variable. Okay, the next is what we are going to be discuss about a let keyword. So let y equals to 300 and document dot write y. Control S will go to here. See here, I will add a one break here. Control S. So this is the variable x is containing 100, variable y equals to 300. What is the difference? Here also 300 storing, here also 100 is storing. So what is the difference? Yes, I will show the difference. I will try to use a let y equals to something 400. Now it will throw an error. Cannot redeclare the block the scope variable y. But same thing I will do for the let x equals to 100. Sorry, not let. var keyword. I will use a var keyword. See, for the var keyword, I am redeclaring with the same name. But where using a let keyword, I can't able to redeclare. Got it? So variable defined with the variable x equals to 100, document dot write x. So x is displaying here, variable x equals to 100. So here what happens? By using a var keyword, you can redeclare the same variable name. So that is the difference. So this variable also store the value, this variable also store the value. But variable with the same variable name can be declared with the var keyword. The variable name with the same name cannot be redeclared with the let keyword. Okay. So if I just use a let keyword and all. So if you just use a y1, now the error will go. If you use a y, so it will not treated as a single value. So if you run also save it, if you just go into, so it will throw an error. What is the error? Uncaught identifier y has been already declared. Why? Because so y already declared, I am re-declaring here, so that is why it is showing the output like this. Okay. So this is a var and let keyword. And one more thing will come a constant. See, constant also same thing as a let keyword, but constant value you can declare with the const keyword. Got it? So first, what we understand, what is a variable? What is a variable? Variable is a something which can hold the values. Okay, clear. And what are all the different types? Using a var keyword, using a let keyword, using a constant keyword. So what is the difference? If you declare a variable with a variable name, so that you cannot redeclare the using a var keyword. If you use a let keyword, you can redeclare the same variable name. Okay, so then constant is also same thing. If you use a constant keyword, you cannot redeclare with the same name. See, or else it will throw. If you just change here, so now it will not throw an error. If you just made a same, then again it is a problem. So constant z equals to some value 100. Okay, and constant z. See, again it is throwing an error. If I just make a Z1, it will not show an error. So what we got to know, there are three types of variable we can declare. One is using the var keyword, using the let keyword, and the constant keyword. The variable declared with the var keyword, you can change the variable name. Sorry, variable. Whereas if you declare the variables with the let keyword, you cannot redeclare the same variable name. Y. So if you just do y1, it will work, but the redeclaration will be not allowed. And the constant also same thing. You cannot redeclare the same variable name. So and constant, one more feature is once you made a constant, the variable name, then it is not able to change. So that is called the variable name. Okay, the let constant we got right. Let means you cannot redeclare with the same variable name. Constant also you cannot redeclare with the same variable name, but you can what you can say you can redeclare, but in the block scope. I will take a one more example. Function add open close brace. See, if I just use here, now it will not throw an error. Here also acting, here also acting. Here what happens? So this Z availability is for only for this block, and this Z available for throughout the application. So then this is called a block scope. Okay. So in the block scope only you are going to be redeclare the variable name. Okay. So now okay. So now we got to know about what is the different types of variable. The next is JavaScript operators. Okay, so document, enter, save it, h2, the JS operator. What are the operators? I think in engineering you, so arithmetic operators are there, logical operators are there. Okay, so these are all the different types of operators. Okay, the first one is what a assignment operator. I will just take a script tag. Inside a script tag, let x equals to 100. Okay, so what is assignment operator? So equals to is a assignment operator. It is going to be assign 100 to the x variable. So that is called a assignment operator. And next, let y equals to 200. Additional operator, JavaScript addition operator. So CLG means document dot write bracket, so x plus y, control S, right click, open with the live server. See what is the x value? X value is 100, y value is 200. 100 plus 200, 300. 300 is stored here. So this is called the addition. So if you want to do multiplication, so just remove plus to the star, save it. If you just go here, so it is going to be multiplication. Okay, for division, so if you just go here, which is the highest value y, so for that y by x, y value is 200, x value is 100, so then it is going to be display the 2, 100 to the 200, so that's why it is going to be used like a arithmetic operators. So then what are all the different types of operators are there? Okay, first we'll discuss about the different types of operators. Okay, the first one is what that is the arithmetic operators. Okay, the next will come assignment operators, comma, then comparison operators, operators comparison. Okay, and next we have a string operators, and logical operators, bitwise operators, ternary and type operators. Okay, so we will just have a look at one or two examples from here and we will go to the next. So assignment operators, so as discussed, this is the assignment operators. So the next will be the comparison operators. Okay, what is the next operator? Okay, this is the arithmetic operation. Got it. So now the next we are going with the what you can say assignment operator. So this is a one assignment operator. So next is what a z plus equals to 200. Okay. So now see document dot right of z, control S, we will go to here, See here. So document dot write 200 is there. Okay. So yeah, it is going to be increment by 1 minute. Document dot write is z. So z plus I will just add a one text here. Br control s. So not display. Right click. What is the error? Inspect console. Z is not defined. Yes. So here let z. Okay. Let z save it. Yeah. So here it is a there is a slight variation should be happen. Let's say uh, I will just take a y. Wait, what is the mistake? Yeah, I have done a slight mistake here. Control S. So here x plus equals to 200. So here it is what happens. It has to be displayed the 200 plus 1 increment. Okay, so here what happens? So increment should be happen. So here, what is the value? The value is x is 100, y is 200. So here, uh, I don't want to do here. Okay, I will take up one more example. Variable a equals to 10 and x a plus a equals to 20. Control X, document dot write off, control V, control S, right click, open in the live server. Okay, again it's a mistake. Okay, not Z. Where I'm just this is Z. Control S. See what is the value here? The A is a 10. So here the A is a 10. 1 minute. So we'll add a some break here. We will get to know. So there is a one more concatenation will happen here. Control S. We'll see it will not showing an output. So here what happened? No need this one. Uh, 2, 3. Okay. Uh, here what happens? It has to be display the concat A plus equals to in the sense it is going to be concatenates the 230. Why it is coming like this? Okay, so let's I will check the later. Okay, it has to be not come like this. So arithmetic operation is like a plus equals to minus and everything. And the next is the comparison operator. What is the comparison? So here we are going to be compare a value. So we might having a one value or two value, so we need to compare. So let's say I will take a let txt equals to I will take a one string hello. Okay, let txt1 equals to hello world. Okay, I need to compare this two string. So what is the method? So method is a double equals to, okay, how? If condition txt is equals to txt1, then print a document dot write of a string is a equal. Else, okay, document dot write of a not equal. Okay, so there are two cases are there. So I have a two strings here, text one, text two strings. So I am comparing. This if block will be executed only when the condition is true. When the condition is true, text and the text. So I will use a text one and this is the text two. Okay, so here txt1 and the txt2. When the text1 and text2 is equals to, so then this block will be executed or else this else block will be executed. Save it. We'll go to here. See, string is not equal. Where I have defined here, it is defined here. String is not equal. Why? So it will check for the text hello and text 2 is hello world. So if I just remove here, control S, if you just go here, the string is equal. Okay, so this is called a comparison. Okay, so we have a different type of conditions are there. This is a double equals to, it will compare the value, and a triple equals to. There is a one more equals to if you added means, sorry, triple equals to it is compare the value and the address. Okay, so that it will checks for the value and address. Okay, then we have a one more condition, greater than equals to or equals to. So these are a different what you can say different waves we can compare. So let's say 10. Okay, 10 and 20. So text 1 text 2 is equals to, write it. See, why? Because so this is a 10 is a not equals to 20. If I just make a 20, control S, run it. If I just rerun it, so string is equals. Okay, so now here what we are going to do. So I will do, this is the equals to, and I will check for the greater than. See, text 1 I will make a 10 and text 2 is a 20. So is 10 is greater than 20? No. So this block will be not executed. This block will be executed. Okay. Is equal to is not equals. Now it is going to be printer is not equals to. Why? Because I have a different value. And if you have a less than, what is the text one? 10. What is the text two? 20. Is 10 is less than 20? Yes. Then it is a displaying this is equals to. Save it, run it. See, is equal, it is going to be printed. Okay. So this is like that. These are all the called comparison operators. So like that, if you go for the official website of Mozilla JavaScript, you are going to be get the all the JavaScript functions. The next one topic I am going to be tell this one, then we'll finish today. So that is will help for your throughout life. Any project or anything you can take it. So this is in word. What is that one? So that is a function, object, and arrays. Okay. So let's see. I want three things. First one is a function, object, and a event. So what is an example? So just I will give. This is the one home is there. Okay. So here somewhere it is a ringing bell is the home, and here it is you have a ringing bell button. Okay. Okay. Here some guy will come and he will click this button. Clicking a button is an event. Making a some noise is called a function. And bell is an object. Person is an object. Button is an object. Okay. We'll understand. First, what is this one? Object, right? So this is called a object. Object, and this is a function, and this is the event. Okay, event. Okay, what is an object? The object is a real world entity which is having a state and behavior. So this is a Pakka intro question. What is an object? What is a function? What is an event? Okay. First, what is an object? So object is a real world entity. Okay, real world entity. And what is the function? A function is a piece of a code. The function is a one thing. It is a piece of a code to perform a specific task. Then event is a something happened. What is an event? Something is happened. Okay. What does it mean? Object means what? It's a real world entity which is having a state and behavior. And a function is a one thing. It is a piece of a code to perform a specific task. Event is a something is happened. So just I given an example, right? So bell is an object, button is an object. What is an object? It is a real world entity which is having a states and behavior. What is the state and behavior? I will take a one object name as a person. So person is an object. Let's say this is the person is an object. What is the state of person, and what is the met object? So person state will be his first name, last name, email, mobile number, etc. So this is the states, okay, or a properties, and the behavior or a action. What is the person action? He can talk, walk, run, jump, drink, etc. So including both we can say it is an object. What is an object? So object is a real world entity which is having a states and a behavior. Okay, states and a behavior, or a states and the methods. State means the existence of the object. Behavior is a something it is behaving like a something like action oriented. So this is called a object. Then function. What is a function? So function is a piece of a code. So here there is a piece of a code they have written to meet the specific task or a specific action. So that is called a function. Event is something. Moving is an event, dragging is an event, clicking is an event. So these are all called events. So this is all we can say as a object event functions. So just I will demonstrate one example. Okay, what I will do, I will create a one object. Okay, that object contains a First name Virat, last name Kohli. Okay, so this is a one object. Then I want to call the function. What is the function? Function display data open close brace. Okay, name dot sorry document dot write of the first name is name dot first name. So this is the object. Object is what? Object it contains the states and behavior. So state is means property name, property value, property name, property value. Behavior means so something dynamic functionality. So here the object containing the property name, property value, and display data is a method. It is what is a method? It is to perform a task. What task it is doing? It is printing this one. The first name is name dot first name. Okay. The next what we are going to do event I want to call. What is the event? So button is an one event. So display object data. So this is a method. So then on click equals to display data. What is the function name? This is the display data function name. So display data bracket. So on click is an event. Display data is a function. This is an object. Got it? Object means okay. Just we'll see the output. Right click, open. Right click, open with the live server. Okay. So what it is printing? Where is my button? Once I click here, see the first name is Virat. So clicking is in what? It is an event. Once I click, it is displaying a name. So this is called a function. And the first name is Virat. This value where it is stored, that is an object. So storing the data in the key pair value is an object, and calling the function is a on click event is method, and here it is a document dot write display. This is a display type function. So we got to know event is the something is happened. Function is a piece of a code to perform a specific task, and uh, object is a one thing which can store the key pair value. If you answer this questions, so your interview will be clear.